family, what it do, what it does, man. It's your boy, man. CP-ish. What's happening? Man, I've been sick, man. I'm still sick though. Like, I feel like my immune system is whack. But yeah, anyway, yeah. So let's get to it. Already know what we do. Hit up the weekly chart there. Hey, you know what I'm saying? See what going on. Alright, so we had price rejection here. Let's see how the weekly closed. Alright, you see like a bullish engulfing, but I'm not gonna take that for weight because it couldn't break my little blue resistance right on top here. So we're gonna get it to daily. See what we have on daily. Daily is, so we had rejection here. Let me help you guys out. So we had rejection here, right? Then rejection here. Alright, sweet, and rejection here. And if you guys remember last week, I said y'all should watch out for this head and shoulder formation because I could see that it could actually start forming, and it did. You know what I'm saying? So what I expect for Euro USD to do is just this. You know what I'm saying? Bang bang whoop. For this price, to come. Wait, let me go to lower time frames. But yeah, on the daily we got sales. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Woo. So like yeah, get onto this. Alright. So now let's measure. How. Okay, I've never done this before, but I'm trying to look for like a price range item. Yeah, I'm gonna measure it from there to here, and this is around, this is around 400 pips, by the way. 400 pips. Why? Because it's from, let me see, 1.17 to 1.209. So yeah, so around 400 pips. Now I'm saying, so what I expect price to do is, look at Euro USD. It's already falling, but I expect the same price. You see, after, so now basically after we break our low support right here, because we are gonna break it. After we break it, I'm gonna have a retest. Then let me show you. I'm gonna have a yan retest. We're gonna have a young retest. Then let me see how far that is. They're not gonna fall to the low there. Yep. To make things easier for you, I didn't wanna draw this head and shoulder, but yeah, I mean just for people to see it. That's the left shoulder. That's the head. That's the head. Now I'm saying. And then that's the shoulder, the right shoulder that's forming. Now I'm saying. So well, okay, if you want me to draw this nicely. Ooh, bam bam. But you see, this thing maybe, so this thing makes charts ugly. So let me remove it and just keep it simple. So this is how it's gonna be. So now, what you're gonna do is, you're gonna wait for a corrective structure or a retracement. Now I'm saying, and then what's that? Oh yeah, and then now look for short positions because we're just shorting. Now I'm saying, so whether, I mean, you can hit it. Things. Let me show you guys something. Right now, where price is, it's a young support there. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, just right here. It's a young support. Y'all can see that support there. That's because of this resistance. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So once we break through, then Then you gotta wait for their retest. Maybe that's your shots here. Or maybe if price is gonna retrace from this going up, then for sure, even better. Now your risk to reward ratio will be so favorable. So yeah, let me just show y'all what I be talking about. Yeah, and then just get this. I don't know how far that price range is. How far is it? Okay. Yeah. Just wait, and then basically just get on these shots. Now I'm saying, easy chilling, bang bang, woo. So I'm risking approximately 100 pips, 97 pips to be exact, for 458 pips. See what I'm saying? Like, it's that simple, man. You just gotta go in and do what you gotta do. You know what I'm saying? The charts are telling you a story. All you have to do is just apply to that story and go in. So yeah, that's my Euro USD analysis. Yeah, bam bam. You see it, head and shoulder. So this red trend line is basically the upper trend, which is broken. And then now this was a high, low. So we formed a lower high just right here. So I want to form a lower low, then maybe lower high, and then continue down there. So now to get like to know why we're also selling, let me just incorporate some fibs for you guys, because I love you guys. You know what I'm saying? Y'all need to know this story. Wait, I think I see something. Let me see this from here. Ain't gonna work. Okay. Why am I trying lines this ugly color? What's this? Is this blue or something? Bang. Oh, look at me messing up stuff. Alright, trying to zoom in. Yeah. Alright, so with that being said, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get the previous high, and the previous low. So price literally tried to break the 0.618 line and they couldn't. So first target could be somewhere around here. Then once it retests, then second target lower. Now I'm saying yeah. Pips. Yeah. USD JPY. Whoa. All right. There we go. That's USD JPY. It's looking, it's looking a bit weird, man. Like man, I hate this chart. Last week, the whole week, I think it moved like 50 pips because it was moving up and down. So like I'm a bit touched. So I kind of hate this chart right now. Oh, actually, like right now I'm on shorts, right? But I believe where we are is a strong support. So if you can't break, I'm gonna close my short. And I don't even know where my where my short trade went to. I don't even know where it went to. But anyway, let's go. So we're gonna get it on the weekly. Look at it on the weekly. Weekly we had what you call this, inverted hammer, or I think an evening star if I'm not mistaken, then followed by a downward candle. So what I assume is normally so now reading with just candlesticks, I assume price to go as low as probably down here to around 108, as I said, right? Okay, then you get to daily. Daily we still going down. Looks like we're still going down, but I'm just trying to zoom out, try and see if I can get any charts there. Now I'm saying gang, trying to see maybe, you know, if there are anything to see. Let me just draw my trend lines. I mean, I can't force this trend line. Let's try this. Just couldn't break here. Don't mind me, guys. I'm just doing my analysis, and this is how I normally do it. I try all types of trend lines till I get it, man. Never quit till you get it. Okay. All right. Well, the weekly is telling me we're going down. That's for sure. So I'm trying to show you guys something. You see where price is right now. It's a tricky place. And I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. Y'all know why it's a tricky place. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Y'all know what I'm saying. Cause I mean, as you can see, for example, on this upward trend, went up, came to retest, went up. So that means it's a strong support, right? We came back down, hit here, we couldn't. Came back down, hit here, we couldn't. We came back down, we broke it, we had to retest it. You know what I'm saying? We came back down here, okay, just broke through, you know. Came back down here, it broke and then it retested. All day, every day, breaks, retests, breaks, retest, break, retest, and then went up. So now I'm trying to see how the daily would close today. You know what I'm saying? Because I also believe that we could get some longs, some long positions. I was like, what you talking about, man? We only see shorts. I know, but I'm trying to get as much confirmation as I can. You know what I'm saying? Cause right now, where price is, it's not really a place where I can say, you know, I can sell right now. Nah, rather if it breaks down, I mean, not I can sell, but I can buy. So what I wait for example, let's say I'm looking for sales, right? Because I'm already on the sell. So what I'll do is, if I wanna enter another trade, another sell trade, I'm gonna let it break through, wait for retest because it normally retest it, right? Wait for retest, then open another sell trade at the retest. Rather if I see the daily closing in a weird way, for example, like a hammer or a doji or like maybe like a blue candle, then I'm gonna be sure that maybe we're about to lift off. You know what I'm saying, to make higher and stuff. Saying. So at the moment, I can't really say anything because like it's, you see, it like, oh my god, no battery. Wait up, give me a second. Let me do what I gotta do. We back live, homies. I think it's charging. Let me see what go on. Yeah, charging. Alright. So like, yeah, as I said, I'm gonna wait for price to give me like a clear sign today before I can take any decision. But yeah, so like if we break, we're gonna see shorts up until 108. But if it holds, then we're gonna see longs, or like longs, you know, up until basically, yeah, man, we're going like we're going higher. You know what I'm saying? We're going to like, we're going to break this, you know, we're going 180, that type of stuff. But I give you an analysis on it. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, UJ, I'm still not sure. I'll wait for the daily candle and I'll post up the chart on the group about it. Yeah, but you heard what I said, right? So for sure. And then what we got? What did I? Oh, gold, my lovely gold. Alright, Now I'm with gold now. Another hard-headed pair, but I like gold because I know how it moves. I know how it moves all day, every day. So like what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get on the 4-hour. I mean the weekly, sorry. If y'all see the weekly, what happened was it formed a hammer and then boom, like around close to a 300 pip move up. That's crazy, right? It's too crazy. So like what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna look for any similar type of movement. You know what I'm saying? Back then, woo. Yeah. You know, look for any type of similar movements, cause you always gotta look back, man. All right. So now, what I basically mean is, let's say if I anticipate like a downward trend, right? Then I'm probably saying that this area is like a basically retested this. So now I have resistance right here. You know what I'm saying? So now basically what I'm talking about is, look at this. Price was coming down, then it reversed, quite similar to this, just coming down, then it reversed, and then couldn't close above this, so then it continued going down. So maybe I'm like I'm sitting here, I'm like, maybe that could be like a repeat of what's gonna happen. Maybe the price is gonna come down here. You know what I'm saying? But also again, we'll get on it. So using candlestick formations, at the moment, gold is going up, but it's on resistance right now. Oh, sorry, it's on resistance right now. Daily, man, you can see what going on, man. Like gold is out here making higher. It's gone. Like, so like I'm like, once you break the blue line, then maybe I can think of longs. You know what I'm saying? So I'll send you guys the charts. By the end of the day, I'll just let Monday play out, so we see how everything is gonna be like for today. But if I see any openings, any things on the 4-hour time frame, I'll hit you guys up. I'll be like I'll post on the group and everything. So yeah, but anyway, let's go. So yeah, just waiting to see what's gonna happen here. So now I thought of something. Let me go to the 4-hour. Typical gold. Okay, so it's in the middle of the 0.5 line and 0.32. So now I want to see something. High, low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, right? And then which means I'm gonna get from this previous high to this low here. Yep, I'm worried if gold breaks 1313, then we're shooting up to 1346. 100% sure of that. Ain't even going trip. Nope, ain't even going trip. Us sick niggas. Okay, right now these currencies looking ugly as hell, man. Ugly. But yeah, as I told you guys, if we break from here, we're going up. Basically, my little blue resistance. If we close above it, whether it's a 4-hour close or a daily close, then yeah, we're going up. but rather I'm still looking because my you see it broke here and then it went up here, so I'm looking for retests. No, I mean not retest. I'm looking for like sales to go down. Whoa. How's the 1 hour chart? Hey, wait up. You must never ever analyze on the 1 hour chart. That's something y'all should be. That's something y'all shouldn't do. Guys who know what they're doing can do it because it requires speed. I'm saying, a friend of mine used to tell me that trading requires speed, especially if you deal with like 1 hour charts and the rest. But don't blame me. Don't worry about it. I'm just trying to see what we can get from this chart. Know what I'm saying? Ooh, gang. Wow. See what I was talking about? You just gotta step out your comfort zone. Alright. What do we see here? A rising wedge. What does a rising wedge entail? Trend reversal. Okay. Why don't we sell? Waiting for confirmation. Good boy. Exactly. I gave you guys basically everything here what y'all need now. And I'm out here looking for sales. As I said, I'm looking for sales. You know what I'm saying? But also, I'm looking for sales up until somewhere here, and then I'll see how price reacts when the price comes around somewhere here. What's this 1298? Wow. But this is like short term. But if you break this we go, and then you see now this would mean USD pound. That means my Euro USD will go down, and then that will mean gold also go down. Gold also go down, and then it will mean that UJ will go up. Let me check out some. Yes, I'm gonna keep an eye on this guy actually. Just gonna keep an eye on this guy just to see what's the story. So now we're gonna move on to news, man. Trying to see what we can have. Today we have NZD news. Alright. I don't trade NZD, so I think I'm good with that. Tomorrow we have AUD and GBP. I don't even trade those. GBP sometimes, but rarely. With Kanye speaking, don't even bother trading it unless you want to lose some money or make some money. Wednesday we have Draghi speaking. I have to watch out for that nigga. We have GBP, also have USD. Alright, for sure. Ooh. Thursday we have AUD. I don't know if this Chinese yuan, or I think so, Chinese yuan, the CNY, and then GBP and USD. Okay. CAD. Alright, fam. Y'all saw everything. Y'all saw what I do, man. Y'all saw what's there. So I love you guys, man. Have a pipful week. I'll post up the charts in a bit in my Telegram channel. If you guys want to know how to join my Telegram channel, just basically type this in your URL: t.me/chartplug. If you can't spell chartplug, then you don't belong there. You know what I'm saying? Apart from that, man, I love you guys. See y'all next time.